Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this Doogee device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. Over here you need to choose theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. Now select one of those images. I will go with that one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally choose Done and click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. Finally select Apply and go back. Now, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!